Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we are in the Laurel at Preston Hollow. The Laurel at Preston Hollow. This is in Dallas, Texas, and we're doing just a walkthrough of the first floor amenities. This is a really pretty apartment, very genteel and gorgeous. And so I just want to show you what it looks like. So again, all the amenities are on the first floor. Wow, it's stunning. I love the lighting. I love the ceiling work. So I'm just going to show off just kind of a general look and feel here on the business center. And there's a fitness center that's over there. We're going to do some individual videos to see more of some of these things. There's a conference room over there. So lots of really nice things. And I love all the space that's here too. Really, really pretty space. There's a lounge. We're going to see that in detail. Oh, wow, that's gorgeous. And then there is a pool, and we'll see that outside also. There is the leasing center that's here too, and then there's an elevator, and then that leads to the residences. So that's a little just walkthrough of what you would see on the first floor when you walk in. And then we'll go see, we'll take some more videos of these in detail so you see these amenities. Hey, so let's do that. The next thing I think I want to see the fitness center. Let's go see that on our next video. If you have questions anytime, or you're ready to see a tour on a virtual tour, live virtual tour, or live in person, send me a text. It's free, and I can't wait to help you.